We recently launched one-page websites for independent workshops and service centres. We're trying to make it as easy as possible for car workshops to have a really awesome online presence. In the example I'm about to show you, you can change your logo, your colours, your fonts, your images, all those kind of things to really reflect the brand and personality of your business. So what I thought would be useful to do is just go on a deeper dive through the website, show you some of the features and how it can be customized to your business. And then hopefully you can give us some feedback at the end on how you think the website would work for your business, or how you would like some additional features, or how it could be changed to work for you even better. So starting with the website at the top, you can see you've got a header image, which can be changed to match your business. You've got the text, and then below that, you've got a list of offers, which can be uploaded for your business. They don't have to be offers. They can be highlight features. So for example, if you offer a collect and deliver service, then you could put that in the top as opposed to an offer. As we scroll down, you've got an about us section, just a short paragraph explaining about your business, and then an image to the right. Below that, you've got a highlight services section, which again can be customized to your business. So say, for example, you don't do MOT testing, you're actually famous for DPF cleaning or car tuning, then you could put that in that section there. Moving down, you've got the team section. If it's just the one of you, you can actually just get rid of this section. But if you want to showcase your team, then you can have them in this section here. Scrolling down, we've got a reviews and testimonials section. Customers can see the kind of reviews that have been left for your garage before to inspire confidence. Next bit down, we've got a little bit about, visiting your business. So i.e. the opening hours, facilities, which would help a customer decide whether, for example, they want to wait for their car while it's being serviced, or whether they should leave it with you, wheelchair access, that kind of stuff. And of course, you've got a map which can be dialed into your service center on the right-hand side. Next bit down is the contact us section, which has got commonly asked questions on the left-hand side. So if you repeatedly get asked the same question over and over again, you can list it in the left-hand side. So hopefully your customers can find the answer to the question without actually having to contact you, hopefully freeing up more time. But of course, if they still need to contact you, you've got your telephone number and the contact form to the right just there. Going down from that, you've got the footer where you've got your social links and some quick links as well to the bits that they've already gone through, but maybe they've just missed it and need a refresher. The other cool thing that you can do when you get to the footer section, you can switch from dark mode to light mode. So the way the website is set up currently is it will follow the user's system preferences. So if your users prefer a dark mode, if they've got their computer or mobile set up in dark mode, that's how the website will appear to them initially. It'll appear in dark mode or light mode. But they can, if they want to, switch between the two. And each theme comes with light and dark mode as standard. So that's just one example. If I show you another example of how the website is themed slightly differently for another business, you can see here you've got a different logo, you've got slightly different colors, slightly different fonts, and also the buttons as well. Rather than being fully rounded as they were before, they've just got slight curves on the edge. So a slightly different look and feel to match the personality of this different business. And of course, that has a light mode as well. So I'll show you the last example now. And again, just a slightly different look and feel for this business. So square buttons, different colors, different fonts to match the personality of that particular business. Of course, it has dark mode. So that's just a quick overview of the new one-page website solution that we've created. Let us know what you think, because we've made this to help independent car garages. So if there's something on there you think we're missing, then just please let us know, and we'll try and bake it into the next version of our one-page website. Thanks very much.